Let's look at Accessibility Tracker AI in action. Here we have an audit report. The report was uploaded to Accessibility Tracker and is now transposed inside of the dashboard. And I'm going to view a single issue from this report. And on this next page, we get all of the relevant data for this issue. And this data has been extracted from the audit report. Now, an important distinction is that this audit report is an actual audit that was conducted by a technical accessibility expert. This is not the result of a scan. So that's a very important distinction. So now we have all of this relevant data from the audit report. We have the issue, we have the recommended fix, we have the applicable code, we have the location of the issue, and other important information. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to analyze the issue with AI. And on this next screen, we see 5 different tools: simplify and explain, alternative approaches, detailed technical answer, WCAG standards, and then custom analysis. Custom analysis is for when you have a prompt that falls outside one of the 4. But otherwise, we can have AI simplify and explain the issue for us, provide alternative approaches to making the fix for this issue. We can look at the applicable WCAG success criteria, and or we can get a detailed technical answer with code for this specific issue. So for this issue, I'm going to go ahead and continue with simplify and explain, and then I'm going to generate an analysis. And what is streaming now is a simplified breakdown of this issue. So if you have a developer, a designer, or a content editor who is working through an audit, now it is going to be much easier because AI is here. It has all of the relevant data. It's already been pre-prompted. So all you have to do is use the AI tool, and you're going to get these answers to help your team make the fixes more efficiently. So for this analysis, we have the response: what is this issue in simple terms? And then AI explains it. 2, why does it matter for users with disabilities? 3, how does it affect different types of users? 4, what's a simple way to fix it? And so on. So what I'm going to do now is refresh, and I'm going to use another AI tool. This time I'm going to use detailed technical answer. And now I'm going to select generate analysis. And here again, we have the answer streaming, and we have an analysis of the current implementation. So it's showing us our current code, the specific problems identified, the detailed technical recommendations, and then improved code snippets, all from AI, all using the actual data. So what has been problematic for so long is that platforms are based on scan results, which are not conclusive, which do not come anywhere close to covering all of the WCAG success criteria, which can contain false negatives and occasionally false positives. And so it provides an extremely skewed look at the accessibility of a digital asset. In contrast, here we're working from actual audit data. And AI has already been given the audit data. So now your team has AI to help with the fix of each issue. And as we work through the audit report, we continually make progress to WCAG conformance, because that is the objective, is that we make our digital assets WCAG conformant. So now we can use AI to help us throughout our entire project, and we can go issue by issue. What we are also adding to Accessibility Tracker is an entire project overview with AI. So AI will have all of the information across all of your projects, and you will be able to ask general questions about the projects, about the progress, and AI will have all of this information for you. So this is the next step. This is the advancement with AI. And this is where we see efficiency start to scale up versus trying to automate accessibility with AI. Automation is not currently possible with AI, but we can make our projects much more efficient. And Accessibility Tracker is bringing you as close as possible to integrating AI into your processes. So You can learn more about Accessibility Tracker on the Accessibility Tracker YouTube channel. You can also go directly to accessibilitytracker.com and get started with a free plan